Unboxing. Open the box and take out Veeniix V11Mini drone and its accessories. Before taking off, make sure both the batteries and the controller are fully charged. Preparing for flight. Check out all the manuals before use. Scan the QR code on the manual to download the app. Or search Veeniix Mini in the App Store to download it. First flight. Select an obstacle-free, open area for flying. Checking the drone. Check the drone and unfold the drone's arms. Check whether the propellers are firmly installed. Install the battery and check if it is securely. Check whether the SD card is properly inserted. Remove the camera cover. Preparing the drone. Short press to display the battery level. Then long press to power on. Hear a beep and see a flashing yellow light indicates that the drone is powered on. Preparing the remote. Unfold the antenna, phone holder and handle. Press the button to power on the controller. Start calibrating. Push the left joystick up and down to complete the pairing. Connecting the Wi-Fi, Android system. Turn on the Wi-Fi connection in the settings. Find Veeniix V11Mini in the list and then connect. This is normal display. Please keep WLAN connection. Enter the Veeniix Mini app. Please agree to the permission request for the pop-up window. Tap the control icon to enter the display interface. Watch and follow along with the tutorial video. iOS system. Turn on the Wi-Fi connection in the settings. Find Veeniix V11Mini in the list and then connect. This is a normal display. Different mobile phone systems have different displays, which will not affect the connection and use. Enter the Veeniix Mini app. Allow the permission request for the pop-up window. Tap the control icon to enter the display interface. Watch and follow along with the tutorial video. Hold the drone 1 meter above the ground and rotate it 2 to 3 times horizontally. Please be careful not to tilt the drone, or it will require more rotation. Then you will hear a beep and see the quick flashing yellow light. Hold the drone 1 meter above the ground and rotate 2 to 3 times vertically. Then you will hear 2 beeps and see a red or green light, indicating that the compass calibration is complete. Place the drone in a flat ground and tap the calibration to calibrate the gyroscope. When the indicator light is solid red, the drone is searching the GPS signal. GPS signal search is completed when the indicator light is solid green. Set flight parameters. You can turn on/off beginner mode according to your personal needs, and then set the flight parameter. App unlock. Tap the takeoff icon and swipe right to unlock motor, and then tap to take off. Controller unlock. Push the left stick up to unlock the motors. Push up again to take off. Indoor flight. Long press the GPS button to turn off the GPS mode, and the drone's lights will turn to yellow. Remote controller demonstration. Left joystick. Adjust the aircraft's altitude and nose direction. Right joystick. Control the direction of drone flight. Press to take a photo. Press to record video. Adjust the camera angle up and down, within 90 degrees. Press the 1 key return button. The drone will automatically return.